Alright guys, so here's the latch right here. From here to here, the spring broke. And so it does not automatically self-close in the lock position. Okay, let me demonstrate for you. See? Look what is happening. This lock right here, it just stays open and it does not self-close like it's supposed to. And so when wind blows, it just goes like this. And yeah, so what can we do? Can we be able to fix this? Yes, we can. How long would it take? 3 minutes. Can I be able to get a part for this spring? Yes, you can. And I've done all the homework for you. So come along and watch the video and let's do it together right now. Boom! So in order to start this latch locking mechanism, the tools you will need are needle nose plier, a ratchet. Yep, you can use that too. But if you have one of this, what do you call this, a doggy bone tool? If you have one of these, this is awesome too. This one can have all different sizes for all different bolts and stuff. On this one, I love this tool so much. So let's dig in for this one right now. All right, guys, so I got this from Amazon. It's a spring. It comes in the tubes, and I cannot remember how much I paid. I think it's somewhere around $5 or $6 for it, but it's the SP9600, and I ordered it 2 days ago, so it came in 2 days. So I am going to use this spring to install this thing right over here. And so in order to install, we're going to use this tool right here. And this is one of my favorite tool. And I'm gonna use the smallest setting there is, using the 3/8 for this one right here. So let's go ahead and use a 3/8 on this one for this part right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and undo this. So I'm just gonna undo this a little bit here, and I'm gonna undo this here, just get the springs, not all the way off, just enough for a little bit so that the spring right here can come off a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and undo this. Don't want to undo it all the way. Okay. Okay, I was able to loosen it by loosening this. Not completely taking it off, just enough for the little bit of room so you can be able to take the spring off. So let's go ahead and open this right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And here's the spring right here, the brand spanking new. And this spring right here is a galvanized spring right here. And so hopefully the weather-wise and everything would be nice to it. So let me go ahead and take the old one out. And see, look, can you see that, guys? So this right here is about the same thickness as a new one and the older one. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start this spring right here. Boo boo, boo boo. All right, so you want to go to the same direction as the original spring, and you want to install the hook on this side. Okay, and then do the same manner. All right, so it's been hooked right here. See, there's hook right here. And then let's go ahead and hook this one to this latch right over here. Bend the spring a little bit like this so the hook can get in. And look at that. Hey, that works pretty good. So let's go ahead and tighten things up. And let's just turn like this. And turn like this again. I'm going to wait until the airplane passes by because I'm sure you don't want to hear the airplane noise. Just went over. Give it 5 seconds. Then the noise should go away. Annoying airplane noise. Oh. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten this. Tightened. And tightened. Okay, and then I'm just going to do level like this. Okay. That is so cool. What do you guys think? This is cool. This is what I wanted. Okay, let's close the door. Let's Okay. Wow. It actually closes and locks. Let's do that again. Isn't that a cool or what? I cannot believe it. We did it again. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and I'll see you guys next video. And thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, awesome, awesome.